Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the brand new Voidlight Deepfish in Fisch It. So let's get started. First, just head to the crystal depth like this. This is the only place where the Voidlight Deepfish spawns. And since this is an epic tier fish, like this, so make sure you are using a mid to higher level rod. I recommend use a minimum hazmat rod paired with the curve bait or singularity bait for the better chances. And then after that, just catch your line in here in the crystal depth and just stay patient until you got the fish. And when you finally catch it, this is what the Voidlight Deepfish looks like this. It has a light eyes like this. The eyes is glowing, and then it has a dark blue body with with the expanded fin and tail like this. And I think the design it's really cool. It's so cool like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.